In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google services to n8n with credentials. We'll walk through a clear, beginner-friendly setup so you can securely connect Google Sheets, Drive, Gmail, and more to your automations. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to expect, and how to confirm everything is working. First, open your n8n workspace and head to the left sidebar. Find the section labeled Credentials and open it. This is where all your connections live. Click the button that says New Credential. You're creating a secure container that n8n will use to talk to Google on your behalf. It's a good idea to give it a clear, descriptive name so you can recognize it later, especially if you plan to manage multiple accounts or services. Next, you'll choose the specific Google service you want to connect. Use the search field to find what you need: Google Sheets, Google Drive, Gmail, or another Google integration supported by n8n. Click to select the one that matches the node you plan to use. Each service can request different permissions from Google, so pick the exact service you'll work with. If you anticipate using more than one Google product with different permissions, consider creating separate credentials for clarity. Now it's time to connect your Google account. Click Connect, and a Google login page will open in a new window. Sign in with the account you want n8n to use. If you're already signed in, choose the correct account from the list. You'll see a consent screen explaining what access is being requested. Review the permissions and grant access to continue. If you use multiple accounts, an incognito window can help avoid browser confusion. If your organization manages your account, make sure the requested permissions are allowed by your admin. Once the connection is authorized, save your credential. You should now see it listed in your n8n credentials view. To test it in a real workflow, add a Google node that matches the service you connected. In the Node's Credential dropdown, select the credential you just created. Run a quick test action to confirm the connection is live, for example, listing files in Drive or retrieving a small sample from Sheets. If the test fails, reopen the credential to reconnect, make sure pop-ups are allowed in your browser, and check that you used the intended Google account. That's it. You've set up a secure Google connection in n8n, and you're ready to build automations with your saved credential. Happy automating!